Guys, check this out. Look at all that I got from my Nispero tree right here. This one right here. And there's still more. There's still plenty more. But I was getting some of the taller ones because when they fall, sometimes they ripen right on the tree and then they fall and then you can't eat them. Or they break when they fall. They're kind of fragile. And then you can't eat them either. So I was taking them down. But look at this. Look at the size of some of these. It's just huge. Almost like mameyas. Now, see, they're already ripening. Like this one's already ripening. This one, look at how soft. If I didn't get it, it would have just fallen like later today or tomorrow and just splattered. So now, if you see some of this white milk-like substance, it can be a little sticky. So I just, wash it in water, and then it'll stop oozing that. But you might want to be, I don't know, if you're kind of allergic, you might not want to get it in your hands or wash it off if you do. But it's no big deal, even if it has it. When it doesn't, like half of these didn't have any of that when I took them down. So when that happens, pretty much they're done. They're ready. Just, some of them are, like I said, are even starting to soften on the tree. But since, like I said, I don't want them to fall. So here's one that have fallen, but I can clean this one and I'll still eat some of that. But these, by getting them like that, in a couple of days they'll be ready to eat perfectly. They're already done. But look at this. Got like 20 of them like in no time at all. And it's a heavy producer. And the Nispero or Sapodilla tastes awesome. It's like a dessert. It's like eating sugar without the bad side effects. So just want to share that with you.